How to deposit a check using PNC Mobile App. Hi everybody, if you are wanting to deposit your check using PNC Mobile App, you can follow the steps. So open up the app and you will be given this login page. You need to enter up your username and your password. After that, sign in. Once you are signed in, you should be finding this interface on your screen. So in order to deposit a check using the app, you can go ahead and locate this option at the top left corner of your screen, the menu bar. You can tap on the three horizontal lines to open up a menu, and this pops up. So from the given menu, you can head over the deposit service, tap on this deposit option, and from here you will be given terms and conditions. You can go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions after that. And after it is accepted, you will be given this option. So you can select up where you want to deposit it, including the amount. After that is done, you can just go ahead and spend your virtual wallet balance, and that is it. So you can select an account to deposit the money to. Go ahead, also give the access to the camera in order to capture images. Once that is done, you will be given with this on your screen. You can continue the process, and once continued, you can confirm the deposit like this. Tap on it, and that is it. So that is how you deposit a check using the PNC mobile app. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.